Hey, what's up everyone, this is Steven Mind, and in today's video I want to give you why I'm really bullish on crypto. I'm gonna tell you today only positive things about Bitcoin, about crypto, about digital assets in general. I'm gonna tell you why the horses are pink, why the honey it's sweet, and everything will be perfect from now on. Okay, and now smash the like button because I'm gonna give you the most value out there, because not everything is good. Not everything is good. Actually, nothing is good right now, because in this market it's ups and downs, okay? And we've been up like since 2020, since the lockdown, okay? Until last year. So we've had Bitcoin from $3,000 in 2020 until $69,000. Okay, it's a, let's say, a parabolic move, upside move. Okay, and nobody was thinking Bitcoin, it's Bitcoin, every cycle it's like the same. What I mean by the same is like 4-year cycle. Okay, always we have 4 year cycle. Okay, that is in everything. I think president, it's 4 years. I guess like stock market is the same. I didn't analyze that, but yeah, digital currency, crypto is the same thing. We have 4 years. Every 4 years, Bitcoin it's the reward, the mining reward is gonna get cut in half, and we have 3 years, 2.5 years, 3 years bear market, and 1 year, 1.5 years bull market. We started the bull market in 2020 March, from the lockdown, from March 2020, yeah, lockdown, and we went all the way up to $69,000 in 1 year and a couple months. Okay, and nobody was thinking, we already had the bull market. What else do you need? How much higher do you want to go? Everyone expected to go above $100,000, at least $100,000 actually. And every influencer out there was bullish on crypto. Everyone like making videos like 100K soon, this month, next month. But the only one person who called the top, it's Richard Hard. If you don't know about him, he's the guy who mined Bitcoin since 2011. He mined 50 Bitcoin per block. Okay, 50 Bitcoin per block. In 2017, 6 months before the top, he said Bitcoin is gonna go until 20K. Actually, guess what happened in December 2017? 6 months later, Bitcoin had the top at 20,000. Last year, Richard Hart, the same guy, he called the top in a day. He said, this is the top, this is the top. From that day, it was all the way down every single day except one day. Bitcoin passed $60,000, was going to $69,000, and in the same day it dropped. So he called the top, let's say, in a day. Do you think? And also, he has a cryptocurrency. I don't know if you don't know about Hex. Everyone is calling him a scammer, but if you go in depth in his research, I think he knows what he's talking about. It's a time deposit token. It's actually the first time deposit token in the entire cryptocurrency, and he said his token is designed to do 10,000x return. Okay, 10,000x return in about 2 years, 2.5 years. And guess what? Since the bottom of his token to the top of his token, to the top of the price of his token, the return was 10,000x. Do you think he knows something about market cap, about tokens, how the money works? I think, in my opinion, he is the smartest guy in this cryptocurrency world. In everything, I think he's way smarter than people think. Because in the beginning, yes, I say the same thing. I guess it's a scammer. I was looking on websites and see, doing my research about his coin, and I found out the big websites is hiding the coin. And I said, okay, something is weird there. But I tried to go more in the research, and I listened to some live streams that he did, and I changed my mind, and now he's, in my opinion, the smartest guy in the cryptocurrency. And he's still think Bitcoin is gonna go 85% from all-time high. So 85% from all-time high, it's about $10,000, $11,000. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's gonna go that low, but if he's saying maybe it's gonna go that low. In this environment, it's very possible. We've had 60% dip in 2020 in one day. 60% dip in Bitcoin, which is the first and the largest cryptocurrency. How about altcoins? If Bitcoin is gonna go 50% right now, it's gonna go to $15,000, $15,000. If Bitcoin is doing this 50% deep in one day, how about altcoins? I think altcoins it's gonna go way lower, at least 70%, at least 70%. And what Bitcoin is doing right now, and I did this, I mentioned this in couple of tweets and on couple of Telegram channels, chats. I said be prepared for the dip. In April, I was talking in a group. I warned them, be careful with this market. I predicted the dip in May, and I said who's preparing for this dip, and nobody expected to dip in May, and I did it. I was prepared, and I am still prepared. I still thinking it's gonna go under 20k Bitcoin. What Bitcoin is doing right now, it's moving sideways, and altcoins is going down. Step by step it's going down. Why? Because Bitcoin dominance, if you don't know, I'm showing you right now. Look at this chart, guys. Bitcoin market cap dominance, it's increasing. That means altcoin it's losing power. Ethereum losing power. And even like other small cap crypto project, they are losing even more power. Some of them they are going to zero, like Luna. And also, if you don't know now, Celsius is going to zero, as you know. As I speak, it's going to zero. Okay, so we see this Bitcoin dominance, and right now with Bitcoin dominance, it's there is a resistance here. Here's a resistance, pretty good resistance here. But once we pass this resistance from 49, 48 and a half, 49%, how about this? How about if it goes to 60% dominance? Where altcoin gonna see? I think lava is the floor. Guys, be prepared for the worst scenario ever seen, because 60% dip was in a day in 2020 because of the lockdown. Okay, but what happened after the lockdown, it's more dangerous than what happened in that, like, that day, in the when they announced the lockdown and everything. What happened after, with the inflation, with shortage, with the war, it's something we've never seen. Very hard to understand. They are trying now, and what they are doing now, the Fed, it's still printing money, but what they are doing now, it's pulling out the money from the market. Okay, so what does it mean? We're gonna see gas raises. In 2020, I talked to a friend and I told him, I warned him, watch out for the gas, it's gonna go a lot higher. And he was laughing at me, and he told me, don't tell this anyone, because people will laugh at you, I mean at me. And now 2 years and a half maybe later, gas in California, some gas stations have $9 to $10 per gallon. Now he's fueling his truck with more than $1,000 a week, which $1,000 a week is $4,000 a month. A month ago, I talked to a friend on Instagram, and I told him I see gas prices going to $12, even $12. And he said, I hope no. Guess what? I'm still thinking. Now, I didn't see $12 per gallon, but in my mind, I can see that. I can see that because we are in the worst scenario ever made by the Fed, by the printing machine. They are doing this. So I think, as you can see, market is very red. It's 28,500 a Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is gonna go to zero. Actually, no, just joking. I think it's gonna go under $20,000. I can see Bitcoin at $18,000. Yeah, I can see that Bitcoin is gonna go to $18,000. There are a lot of liquidation. They're gonna squeeze that liquidation in the 20 range, 18, in between 20 and $18,000. There are a lot of liquidation by DeFi. People use the Bitcoin as a collateral to get stable coins or whatever, to get loans, borrow money, and they are getting liquidated at that range, about $18,000 to $20,000. And what do you think Bitcoin is gonna do? I think, in my opinion, it's gonna go to that range and get some money from that. Okay, as you can see, Ethereum 1500. I see Ethereum at $1,000, and everything is red. I don't want to talk about other coins like Elrond. Where is Elrond? This is one of my favorite coin, Elrond. $51. Still ready. I'm still preparing to buy the dip. I can see this at $25. I can see that because if Bitcoin is gonna drop to 18K, which is about 35% from this price, which Elrond and other altcoins are going even more than 35%. It's gonna go to maybe 60% down, 70% down from now. Okay, so what I'm preparing, I'm gonna accumulate as much stable coin as I can right now, and I'm waiting for the big dip. What Bitcoin is doing right now, it's moving sideways, bringing the altcoins down a little bit, and at one point Bitcoin is gonna go boom in the 20K range. Okay, and at that point, maybe in a day, it can do it in a day, and I'm gonna get ready for that that deep. I'm warning you right now. I didn't make this video to give you the green and the positive things like other YouTubers are doing with their audience. I think we have to see the truth. I think we have to see what's going on in the world, and influencers out there, they are not talking about this. They are seeing only upside on in crypto, and I think this is an opportunity to talk about. I've seen this an opportunity to talk about. And guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like, to share this video with your friends, and see you in another video.